everyone. Today is a huge day. It is day 10 of your 30-day Pilates challenge. And as you know, day 10 is the first big check-in day for the Pilates Promise, which is kind of what this whole challenge is built on. After 10 sessions, after 10 Pilates sessions, Joe Pilates promised his clients that they would feel a difference. So I want you to look back at your daily check-ins today after you're done with this workout and see, do you feel a difference in your body from moving your body just a little bit every day for 10 days in a row? I feel like I definitely do, and I hope you do too. So day 10 workout today is all about balance. So we're going to try to balance by working out the whole body and balance by doing a couple of fun exercises that require actually balancing. With all that said, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with 100. So go ahead and lie down onto your back and we'll pull the knees into the chest. Okay, and now let's curl the head, neck, and shoulders up, eyes on the abs. Send your legs out to your working position, send the arms long. Let's begin to pump the arms up and down, breathing in and breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In with the air and out with the air. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. That's halfway. We have 5 more pumps of the arms. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. And exhale. Let's work up a sweat. Inhale. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale. One more breath in here. Last breath out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hug your knees in. Go ahead and lower your head, neck, and shoulders down. All right, from here, we're going to take it up all the way. And start with your rolling like a ball. So pulling knees into chest. Let's find a balance and lift the feet off the floor. So now we want to take those heels in really close to the seat, as we know, and pull yourself slightly off of your balance by pulling back with your abs and just tipping back a little bit. Good. And from there, we'll just start your roll, rocking back and then finding the top. And I want you to kind of stop on a dime. We're going to rock it back and stop. Yes. And we go again. Rock it back and stop on a dime. Let's do it a few more times. Rock it back and up. 2 more. Rock it back and up. 1 more time here. All the way back and all the way up. Hold it. Now from here, we'll take the arms out, reach up, eyebrow height. And now if this feels like torture for you, keep your knees bent. If you want extra, let's stretch the legs long and send them out in line with your arms. And then we just balance here, holding your teaser, teasing gravity, teasing balance. That's why you call it a teaser. Holding, holding, holding. And then pull your knees in, don't let your feet touch. Good, and now from here, we're gonna stay on that tailbone. Bring your hands behind your thighs. We've done this one before. Find a tabletop position with your legs. We take the right leg out. We bend it in. We take the left leg out. We bend it in. Let's do 1 more each way. Right leg. See, look how easy it is to balance here on the tail. Left leg. And stay balanced to lift both legs up. And walk your hands up towards your ankles as high as you can go. We hold. Good. Now we're going to go into your rolling, into your rocking, rolling like a ball, but with the legs open and stretched like this. So let's round the back, take it back, and then hopefully you can come up and balance. Oh my God, I did it. Hopefully you did too. Let's go again. Rock it back, bring it all the way up and balance. Yes. 2 more. Rock back, all the way up and balance. 1 more time, rock it back, and then all the way up and balance. Now squeeze your legs together. We're almost done here. Reach up for your toes, letting go of the legs, keeping everything there. 3, everything there. 2, stay. 1, and then hug your knees into your chest. Good. All right, from here, let's flip to the belly. Let's stretch out the abs and the thighs. And now I want you to just kick your heels into your seat and then reach back with both hands. grabbing onto your ankles. And if you're too tight to do this, you can just do one leg at a time. We're gonna hold the stretch here so you have just enough time to stretch both quads out. Think of opening up the front of your hips, pulling your belly in. If you want extra, you can kick into your hands and lift your chest gently off the floor. And then go ahead and lower. And then send everything out, the legs long, the arms out in front of your chest. Now from here, we'll lift everything up out of the water to work the back body, and then go for a really slow swim. So your right leg will lift and your left arm will lift. So opposite ends. Then go ahead and switch. Left leg lifts, right arm, and switch. Super slow swim. Right side, left arm, and left leg, right arm. Now let's go fast. Kicking, kicking, kicking. Breathing in. I like to think of myself balancing right on top of my belly button here, but keeping it tight, abs into spine. Good, keep breathing, keep swimming, and then lower everything down. All right, from here, let's round through the back, just taking a quick child's pose. And then go ahead and make your way to lie down on one side of the body. So from here, we're gonna bring yourself up on an elbow with the other hand down by your side, and then pick your legs up and just send them forward a little bit. Now from here, you're gonna lift both legs up off the mat, and then try to find your balance by taking this top arm and placing it behind your head. Now you have 2 contact points on the floor, your elbow and your hip, and we're just holding here. Now, the top leg's gonna lift an inch, and then you're just gonna glide that leg forward, and then glide that leg back. And this is small. Keep that bottom leg lifted as much as possible, balancing on the hip and the shoulder. We'll do 3 more. Woo. And back. Use your abs. It helps, I promise. 2 more times. Glide it forward. Reach it back. 1 more time here. Glide it forward. Ooh, yeah. And reach it back. Now go ahead and place your bottom arm, your top arm rather, right in front of your chest again, or in front of your powerhouse. And we're just gonna switch the legs and switch the legs, keeping them both lifted off the floor, keeping your chest open. And try to just keep that balance here, not flipping and flopping to one side or the other. That's the hardest part. 1 more, and 1. And then bring your legs together and set them down. Now go ahead and switch to the other side, flipping around. We're gonna land on that other elbow with the legs just slightly out in front of you. Now go ahead and take your legs and lift them off the mat. Find balance on your hip, and then the top arm for extra challenge can go behind the back of your head. Now your top leg will lift up just a little bit higher than the bottom leg. Send it forward. Oh, this is tough. And then reach it back. The trick to this really is stretching that top leg out longer than the bottom leg so that your 2 contact points are your elbow and your hip. Because if you have the rest of your body kind of reaching down into the mat, you're gonna kind of fall over. Yeah. So we'll keep it moving here, keeping that leg gliding forward and back. We'll do about 3 more, just concentrating on sending that leg away from you, getting it as long as possible, and then trying to hold your bottom leg still, which I'm not doing the best job of, but it's about the work, not about being perfect. Good. All right, and now we'll take the legs together and then place your top arm down in front of you. And now let's scissor switch the legs and scissor switch the legs, trying to keep everything really tight and steady, and switch. Good, a couple more. Switch and switch and switch and switch. That's it. Zip your legs together and then lower them down to the mat. Now from here, let's come to a seated position. We'll do 1 more rolling exercise for the day. So we'll pull the heels in, and this is called seal. You're gonna take your hands, dive them in between your ankles, and then wrap them around the top of your ankles, making this pretzel shape here. Make sure you have enough room behind you to rock and roll. And then we're just gonna tip back in, you guessed it, find a balance on your tailbone. So from here, round your spine. And then we'll open and close the legs 3 times. 1, 2, 3, clapping those feet together. Now rock back and clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. and 1, 2, 3. Now this exercise has 2 balance points, balancing up here on the tail and then balancing back on the shoulders without letting the back of your head touch the mat. That's the tricky part. And we clap 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Rock back, suspend, 1, 2, 3. Rock up, 1, 2, 3. A couple more. Back, 1, 2, 3. And up, 1, 2, 3. 2 more times, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Last time here. Back, 1, 2, 3. Up, 1, 2. Hold it. Now go ahead and place your feet down, and you are all done for day 10. Now, like I said before, make sure to really check in with yourself, see how your body's feeling, if you notice any differences in your physical body, but also in your energetic body. Do you have a better mood doing your Pilates every day? Do you feel lighter in your step in general? All good questions to ask yourself and notice. So I will see you tomorrow for day 11. Bye for now.